Quick organ update, since we haven't had one in a month or two. So as you can see, we're making progress with the pledged amounts and the total received. I've been in touch with Parsons. We're in the process of finalizing when the work is actually going to be done after the first of the year. I've also been in touch with my colleagues at the Eastman School because we're working to have a dedicatory recital by an Eastman student when the organ is finished and ready to go. We're also in the preliminary stages of trying to develop a small concert series, nothing too ambitious, but just a small concert series, trying to lock it in and get some more outreach both here in the church and to the community. So all of that is coming. If we think about, well, Brant's giving us Christmas updates, I'm giving you a 2023 update. So we're moving right along here. The piece I'm playing for you, for all you scholars out there, it's actually called a concluding voluntary, but the service is not concluding, so I struck concluding. Just a voluntary, it's a nice piece written close to when this instrument would have been built. Kristen's not here, so I can use the oboe stop that she doesn't like. And the center section is nice and soft. There's some crescendos and decrescendos, and it's this kind of style that would have been popular in the late 1800s, early 1900s. So this is a nice little voluntary that I hope you enjoy.